Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly your car refuses to shift gears properly, or worse, it gets stuck in one gear. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0985. This means there's a problem with Shift Solenoid G control circuit high, which can disrupt your transmission performance, and if ignored, might lead to serious damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0985 means, where to locate the crucial sensors and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0985? DTC P0985 stands for Shift Solenoid G Control Circuit High. Your vehicle's Transmission Control Module, TCM, sends signals to shift solenoids, which regulate hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. When the circuit for solenoid G gets excessively high voltage, it can cause erratic shifting or transmission failure. When the circuit for solenoid G gets excessively high voltage, it can cause erratic shifting or transmission failure. When the circuit for solenoid G gets excessively high voltage, it can cause erratic shifting or transmission failure. Symptoms of P0985. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed gear shifting, car stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission, warning light, unusual RPM fluctuations, transmission overheating. Sensor and component locations, very important. Shift solenoid G location, inside the transmission valve body underneath the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls fluid pressure to engage gears properly. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically found near the battery, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission case. Function, sends voltage signals to control gear shifts. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors pressure and ensures correct shifts. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. What causes P0985? 1. Faulty shift, solenoid G sticking or failing to function. 2. Wiring issues, corroded, broken or short-circuited wiring in the solenoid circuit. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing hydraulic issues. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect data to the TCM. How to fix P0985. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If low or dirty, replace it with the correct automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or loose wires around the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test the shift solenoid G. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for additional transmission-related codes. If necessary, update or replace the TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0985 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. If you see P0985, it means your shift solenoid G circuit has high voltage affecting your transmission. Fixing it early will save you from costly repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0837 4-wheel drive 4WD, switch circuit low. P0838 4-wheel drive 4WD, switch circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.